Welcome back everyone. Last week I got two calls for the requirement, not a software requirement but a vacancy. Okay, so they want developers. One is for Android and one is for JavaScript framework. Normally on this channel, you learn different stuff, right? You learn about Java, about Android, Kotlin, and now Spring Framework and Python as well. And then, in the comment section, I do get comments that they have done their graduation, they have done the courses, but they're not getting jobs. Normally in Mumbai, we have we don't have much vacancies, right? If we talk about different cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, we have a lot of companies there. But when it comes to Mumbai, we don't have much vacancies, right? And suddenly we got these two requirements in a week. So both are from my friend circle. So one of my friends is working for a company and they want an Android developer. And one of my mutual friend, he has another requirement for JavaScript. For Android, they need fresher, okay? So someone who have done the course, of course, you cannot simply expect training from them. So they expect someone who is a fresher, but who has worked on Android before as a project, not exactly for a company, but maybe if you have done a demo project for yourself or maybe for your college internship or college. So they want fresher, who is a fresher, but who can actually work on Android. Maybe slowly, but a person should know Android. The second requirement is for JavaScript, but that is for 2 to 4 years of experience. So if you have worked on JavaScript before in some company and if you have experience, and that too, they have defined the skill set as well. It's not just simply, so you can see here the skill set they require is HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, responsive design. So more like a web designer, right? A front-end designer, especially creative person. Angular JS or Vue JS, your choice. NPM, of course, Git. And then CI/CD is optional, but then if you have that skill, your chances of getting a job will be higher. So this is their requirement. Okay, I'm not sure about the package now. I know this is the main question about the package. I'm not sure. I've not asked those stuff. It was just a requirement, so I thought it will be helpful for you guys if you're looking for a job in Mumbai. You can apply to it because see, the thing is, people do have skill set. They are not getting opportunity. This is the opportunity, right? So in fact, in one of the video I've also mentioned, opportunity may knock your door any day, right? You have to be ready for that. So if you have learned Android, if you are working on JavaScript, this is the best option, right? So you will find in the description area about the details if you want to apply for Android job. So send your resume there and also say why you are the best suitable for that particular job. Okay, so check out the description area and do share this channel with your friends. Do share this video with your friends so that it will be helpful for someone. So that's it, everyone. I hope this video was helpful because this is something which I'm trying now. So if some of my colleagues or connections, if they have some requirement, I can post that on this channel as well, right? Maybe that will be the best option. It will be a win-win situation for both, right? There is one thing you have to remember. Opportunity will knock your door anytime. You just have to be ready for that. So keep learning, keep sharing. Bye-bye, everyone.